The Dodge Uconnect system, now part of Stellantis, sometimes needs a reset to fix issues like screen freezes or app crashes. There are two main types, reboot and factory reset. A reboot is a soft reset that restarts the system without erasing your personal data. To reboot, hold the power button on the touchscreen for 10 to 15 seconds until the screen goes black and restarts. This usually takes 1 to 2 minutes. A factory reset, on the other hand, erases all user data, like saved locations and presets, and restores the system to its default settings. To perform a factory reset on Uconnect 4.0 or later, go to Settings, System, Factory Reset. For older versions like Uconnect 3.0, you might need a USB drive with update software. Always back up your data before a factory reset. Remember to perform these resets while parked and off-road for safety. If your Uconnect system is completely unresponsive, there are a few not working fixes you can try. First, check the fuses under the hood. You can also try updating the software via the Stellantis app. As of 2025, OTA updates are standard, allowing for remote resets. A hard reset, which involves disconnecting the car battery for 5 minutes, is another option, though this should be a last resort. Common causes for Uconnect issues include overheating, corrupted apps, or electrical faults. Experts recommend prioritizing robust software from the start to avoid frequent resets. Looking ahead, Uconnect is evolving into a cloud-integrated platform with AI integration for predictive resets and enhanced cybersecurity. While software complexity may increase issues, Stellantis aims for AI-driven solutions to reduce support calls significantly by 2028.